Hello friends, in today's video we're gonna be changing air filter on this Mitsubishi Outlander. We've done the rest of the service, so this was the part which was left doing, so that's what we're gonna do now. Okay, and the parts we are using is Wix filters. Okay, and the part number is WA6331. So that's the part. So we're gonna undo the clips. Okay, that's our old filter. The condition of it is not looking good. It's worth changing. This is the new filter, so that's how it goes in. There we go. So you line up the clips at the back first, and then you just do the clips at the front. Simple forward procedure to change the filter. Okay, thank you very much for watching the video.